can't pull a meat on me. So you want me to shut up, so you just gonna say you wrong.
Like a film in a movie, nigga, gon' let them have it. We ballin' like the March Madness. All these cops shootin' nigga trash.
What's up, friends? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kay, and we're kicking off another March Madness vlog. We outside edition. So if this is your first time here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? So glad that you stopped through, and I hope that you stay. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know, and I do mean everyone. And for all my returning subscribers, y'all, I had to start off this vlog with something a little bit serious, but not really. And all influence isn't good influence. And what I mean by that is poking. So yeah, my friend was drinking this water. She drinks it all the time. This right here. She drink it all the time. She swears by it. She make it sound so good. She drink them all fast and whatnot. So I'm like, okay, I'm thirsty. I'm walking CVS. They have it in there. So I was like, okay, oh, this is my opportunity. This is my time to shine. This is my time to be influenced and follow through. Baby, when I tell you that water's so goddamn nasty, it's giving Alka-Seltzer in a bottle or a can. It's giving carbonated water. It's giving very much. Bitch, why you buy this? She not on YouTube. Don't follow her. Woo! Yeah. So in case you haven't figured it out yet, don't buy this. Don't buy this. Don't buy this. All right. Okay, y'all. I'm running late per use. I need to finish putting on my face. I know y'all like, no, you don't, but I do. I'm finished putting on my face, and we're about to get up out of here. Hey, y'all. I'm back, y'all. We in the car, our favorite place to be. On our way to go see Tony Roberts, one of my favorite comedians, just in case you didn't know. This is pineapple juice. Anyway, I just wanted to check in because why not? I'm in traffic and I'm annoyed. I really don't even understand why we're in traffic. The show doesn't start for a whole hour and like 10 minutes. I didn't want to get there a little bit early because I was hungry. But
why you at that lane? It's two of us in the car. I don't get it.
Y'all want a best friend? She potty trained. So what I got? But I don't have a tow thingy for that.
You don't need one.
I do. It said closed. But so if I get over there, how am I gonna go?
You just merge back over here.
That's like so you want me to merge over 4 lanes?
No, you're gonna merge over 1 lane. You're gonna be back in the same lane, but you're gonna be way the fuck up there, right?
But I gotta get way over there.
Oh, they put an easy sign right there?
Jesus, take the wheel.
Yeah, you're right.
Again,
I ain't even been here since they put an express lane.
Y'all, she potty trained. That's about it. She a little slow. If y'all good with her being a little slow. Y'all good with her being a little bit slow. Y'all, you good. Y'all know we be out here getting there. And for those who are new, Pookie is the one that told me about that old nasty ass Alka-Seltzer water. I swear I don't see why she drinks. But Pookie is the same person that could take an aspirin with no water. Who takes an aspirin with no water? That is like gross. And when I say aspirin, I'm like BCB powder. Who takes that with no water? With nothing. I hate that she's too old for me to get a check for her crazy ass.
Wait, what?
Like, I can say anything to her and she's not sensitive. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can say anything.
Oh, baby.
Like, I can say, well, shut up, Pookie, with your stank ass.
Wait, what?
She not gonna say that.
Yes, I am.
She not. She just doing that because you know y'all
I smell
here.
good.
Today.
Always.
Today. I mean, you better smell good, and we going out here where a comedian is. Like,
Baby.
anyway.
I smell good every day. This girl called me.
Who called me?
Oh, it's my cousin.
Hey, cousin.
Hey. I ain't gonna answer though.
I'm my family. So if that's her cousin, it's mine. We've been friends since we was 13. Y'all know the story. She wanted to be my friend.
Be my friend.
And and here we are. 10 years later. Like, all these kids later. I don't know how good that is considering I haven't eaten since noon.
Oh, that's not good.
So you ate?
I'm saying I ate my leftovers from
But that was early. You ate again?
No.
You lying.
No.
You lying. Okay, fun fact about Pookie. Baby, when y'all go out to eat with Pookie, Pookie gonna ask, y'all gonna be like, oh my God, she barely eats. That bitch ate before she got there. She had a whole fucking snack. And when I say snack, I'm talking about a whole kid's meal. Burger, fries, and a drink.
Yep.
And then she... I gotta stay here because my pinky's weird.
Indeed.
Y'all, wait a minute. I forgot what I forgot to tell y'all. Mama. Let's talk about Mama. Hey, Mama, because I know you watching.
Hello.
So I called Mama this morning. Phone goes straight to voicemail. I hang up, called. Maybe it was me. I missed out. Even though it said Mama, I called again. Voicemail. Now we're at like the 11th, 12th time me calling back, and it says voicemail. I'm hyperventilating. Because why is my mama phone going to voicemail? So guess what I do? I call him in. Boop. It's ringing, but he's not answering. Boop. It's ringing, but he's not answering. The third time, clutch your pearls, grab your seat. He sent me the voicemail. So nigga, you got the phone, but you're not answering, and my mama phone going to voicemail. So at this point, my nerves back, because I'm like, it's like 7 something in the morning. The office don't open till 9. So how the hell I'm gonna call the office and tell them to go knock on my mama's door? Because yes, I'm gonna call the office and tell them to go knock on my mama's door because she's not answering the fucking phone. And she, I love you, mama, but you are. I love you. And somebody need to go check on my mama because I'm not close by her. I said it. Somebody had to say it. Might as well be me. So I called him back the 4th time. He answered it like I was getting on his nerve. Hello? Where my mama? Because I ain't say hi. How you doing? What you been up to? Nothing. Where my mama? She sleep. Wake her ass up. Why the fuck is your phone going to voicemail? I didn't say that. I was thinking it. I didn't say it because that's disrespectful. I was like, Nah. Why your phone going to voicemail? She said, in Georgia. Baby, I was biting my tongue, everything. You gotta keep your phone charged. I got my mama a fanny pack, sandals, everything. I need her phone to be with her at all times, and I need it to be charged. So whatever time I call you, I need you to answer. Needless to say, y'all, she had the nerves to say, I'm sorry. You don't get to apologize in the middle of me fussing. You can't pull a me on me. So you want me to shut up, so you just gonna say you wrong. Yeah, that part. I just want to check in, tell y'all where we're about to go, and I'm gonna take y'all in there with me. And we're gonna try not to get caught recording. Y'all wanna say Pookie wanna be on there. I'm never gonna put I see Pookie full of shit. So you ready? That's my Pookie out on a damn earpiece. This bitch got a whole ass antenna. That's my Pookie, y'all. Y'all know I always talk about her, but I don't really show it because Pookie ain't like me. That's all we were. Anyway, I love y'all. Be back.
Got keypads in Braille at the drive-thru at the bank. Who the fuck need to fill the bumps and you just drove up to the window? I never see somebody driving blind with a stick out the window. With the dog in front of the car. Get to the window, gonna need something. Money.
Girl, let me lock my door. Okay, y'all. I'm back with the halo light. Y'all, I had a really good time. Tony Roberts was so freaking funny. We had a really good time. Yeah. I had a good time seeing him after his first set, so it was really good. And then we went to a little, I don't want to say club hopping because it wasn't really clubs, but we went to a couple of lounges, and I am on my way to the house. So I wanted to check in with my friends. Oh my God, this light from heaven is everything. I love it. Anyway, I just really want to come in and check with you guys and tell you guys I love you. Wait, is somebody walking? Oh, I thought that was Pookie walking up. Anyway, so I just wanted to come in, check in with you guys, and tell you guys we had such an amazing time. I was out being fast. Oh, that's Pookie, y'all. Let me call y'all back.
Like film in a movie, nigga, gon' let them have it. We ballin' like the March Madness. All these cops shooting